Home is one of the most important places in our hearts. It's where your story begins. Home is where we do life, and the memories we create will last for generations. Here at IES Residential, we provide an unparalleled service and a proven track record with some of the nation's largest builders to ensure your home is safe and secure. As one of the nation's largest electrical contractors, our quality of work and strong commitment to customer satisfaction is evident by our long-term growth. We currently have multiple divisions operating throughout the United States in which we provide a wide variety of services, including solar power solutions as well as cable installation. Our employees range from young, old, experienced, unexperienced, skilled, and lacking thereof. We look for dedication. Are you dedicated to your craft? Do you come with a great work ethic? These are kind of individuals that we look for in IES Residential. We want somebody who wants to make a difference. We're not looking for somebody who wants a job. We want somebody who wants a career. At IES Residential, we have 8 core values that speak to the heart of our corporation. Our values start at the top and they filter all the way through. We believe our values is just one example of why IES is still the leader in the electrical industry. We want to improve upon quality. We want to improve upon code. We want to improve upon performance. How do you do that without formally having a facility where you get trained? That training comes from coast to coast. Our managers send employees from California, from Atlanta, Georgia, and everywhere in between. That's the beauty of what we do. That's the investment that we're willing to make in our people, in our employees, in our family. An employee leaves our school of wire, they have the confidence, they have the security that, man, what I've done, it's done right. It's done 100%. You'll see the difference in the employees that come out of our school of wire and the guys who are just learning on the job. We want people in line waiting to work for IES Residential. We've had individuals come back for a second, third, fourth interview. And when they do, and when they finally see that that's what we are and they're a part of it, they don't ever want to go anywhere else, ever. To say we power progress is an understatement. We drive progress. Welcome to IES Residential.